Hey everybody, Mrs. Wenzel here again, and let's get started with a high five, or a hug, or a hustle. Now, this week's video is a little different. You may or may not know this about me, but I love to play board games and card games. So I was looking at my board game collection, and I thought, I have a lot of games that really kind of seem to fit in to the STEM, the STEAM, the STREAM disciplines. And I thought today I'd talk to you about a couple of them that are really good for the math part, and I'll just show you some of my favorites from this category. All right, the first one, and this is the one that I've had in this section from my collection the longest, is called Set. And it is basically you're just trying to find sets. It's got 3 different colors, 3 different shapes, and 3 different fill types. And I'm just going to show you, I'm not going to do a whole review, I'm not going to do a whole playthrough, nothing like that. But like this would be considered a set. It's 3 different colors, but 3 of the same shape, 3 of the same number, and 3 of the same fill. So that would be a set, and you'd pull it off the board. It is fun, it's fast, and I love it. The next one I want to talk to you about is a game called Fitz. And it's kind of like Tetris, the board game. Everybody gets their own little set of scoring cards, like a little Tetris board, and a whole bunch. This is just a couple of pieces, but you get a whole bunch of pieces. And everybody starts off with a different piece first, and then from that point, you all, so I'm just going to put one there. From that point, you all pick a general card, and you take your piece that you're choosing and you slide it down, and it's really great for spatial relations, and it's really great to help you count your points and add and subtract real basic numbers. And the last one I want to talk about is Fuse. Now this game, it takes 10 minutes to play, and it's rolling dice and putting dice on cards. The age limit that it says is 13 and up, and I feel like many people could play that at a younger age. Basically, you all have different cards in front of you, and really I just like it because it's a very basic kind of math skills. You roll the dice and you take turns grabbing them out of the middle, and you're yelling at each other because you want a certain die, and then, but anyway, and like this one is numbers, and you're putting them in order from greatest to least. Simple math. This one you would need to use a yellow or green die and a blue or red die to equal 7. And then there's also just color patterns and things like that that you can do. So these are some of my favorite games that have math components to it. So my challenge to you this week is, if you like board games or card games, find your favorite one and find how math is in it and let me know. And folks, if you'd like to see more game kind of reviews and topics related to STEM, leave me a like down below or send me an email. Let me know. All right? Thanks so much. God loves you. So do I. Be a nice human.